Hello folks, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, brokered by eXp Realty. Kim and I were part of the Hoey team and we're based here in Naples, Southwest Florida. I just wanted to show you some features that we have on our brand new upgraded website. The website is similar to what we had from before, but we've added a lot of many more resources to it. If you click across the top here, obviously you can search, sell, your agent there. There's some information. Testimonials are here. Then blogs. I think we have about 500 blogs on our website. Our resources. If you click on that, it takes you down through all the different ones. And we'll show you this one in a second. The virtual open house tour for sellers there, and this is for other realtors. Down here you have some information about the Hoey team and Fort Myers Realtor Report. We have a lot of different stats and reports on our website, including a YouTube channel there. It's a page that has a number of different YouTube channels. Market updates. We have a huge amount of market updates, and many of them are live stats. So if you look down here, you have Bonita Springs, Estero, overall for all of Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers market stats, Golden Gate Estates, a number of different ones. And then on the luxury market reports, we have them for different areas. Here, Fort Lauderdale, Jacksonville Beaches, Miami, Naples, where we're based, and we have an overall one for North America there. And a number of other market areas within Florida. With this website, we're actually, you can search for a property in any part of Florida. Naples market stats. Let me just show you this one. And basically what it is, it's a page similar to all the other live stats, but it's live data. So you can click on any of those here, and I won't go through them right now, but this one here is median sales price, days on market. You can see how all of this, and COVID obviously changes some things, price range. All these are very useful pieces of data that you can search through. But I'll just scroll back up here and show you some of the other tabs. Useful information and links. We have resources there for COVID-19. This will be pertaining to any decisions, from our governor to anything that's of relevance during this time. Exchange rates, general information for everyone. This is a huge page with links and information for many different resources. General information for seniors. One of the designations that I have is an SRES agent, and where we help seniors in our communities. And this is a lot of good information for seniors here. Everything from aging in place, moving companies, reverse mortgages, elder attorneys, you name it, we have it in here. And a number of other videos and items that are useful for you. Obviously Irish events, Southwest Florida, we have some information on those. My New City, that's a link to videos on the area. Southwest Florida water quality. Water has been on people's minds for the last few years, but that has settled down now. But the information is there all the same. Visit Collier. This is useful for anybody who lives here in Collier County, or who may be visiting the area and aren't sure where to go. And actually we were utilizing some of this for to help people with where to get face masks and different things during this outbreak. But as you scroll down through the page there, you'll see a lot of different things that we have. We have a dedicated YouTube channel with links to music events here in Southwest Florida. There's our local Ben Allen Band. But a lot of different places here that we can go visit when as the state opens up again and as Collier County opens up. And this includes information on Lee County as well. But I won't go through all the pages. It would take me quite a while. We have quite an amount of them, and there's resources here for everybody. I'm licensed to sell property in Dubai. This is information on Florida. With information on mortgages. We have a newsletter. And then we have a site here, which is pretty neat for anybody from an international point of view, where our listings can convert into different languages. New construction search page. We help people with new construction, and we negotiate a lot of things, including advising people on best communities for them, best builders, best deals, best lot locations, you name it. Search USA. This is an app that you can have on your phone or download it onto your computer, and basically search for properties in any part of the United States and in parts of Canada. So that's basically some of the tabs there. When you click this icon button, it takes you to the home page. And then something that's pretty neat that we have done. This is a search that I've done here in Collier and Lee County. And we have added a resource here. It's like a heat map. And you can go to this tab here where you see schools. Click the arrow down button, and you can add or remove different kinds of schools from the map, or add them back in, or just remove the schools altogether. But many people like to know what school is near them and what district they're in. Over on this side, we have something that's pretty neat. So if you wanted, say for instance, you want something that's quiet. You click on this quiet here, and then maybe you want to be near a high school or you don't. So we'll just leave high school in there for a moment, and somewhere that's car friendly. And this is the heat map. It's the green areas. I'll just bring this down again to show you something. On the bottom there, match is the green areas, and no match is as it becomes more orange. And as you look over on this side, you'll see numbers on the different properties, and it explains the score based on the different items that you selected on this side. So we'll say some of us, or some people, may want something that's vibrant, and they mightn't be too worried about car friendly. And if the map has changed totally, as you can see. So the red areas, out here, are not going to be very vibrant. They're obviously probably more quiet. And you can see the green areas where there's a bit more action for people. So that's pretty neat. There's a number of different things that you can do. Most people I know of want peace and quiet, but there are many people and they want to be close to nightlife, and there's the nightlife there, vibrancy, nightlife. Maybe that's all you want to do, and you're going to be looking for the green areas. Then when you can scroll through any of these properties. As I say, they're all numbered, so the higher the number, the higher it matched what you were looking for. And you can click through any of these properties, and there's a number of cool things that you can do. This is a property actually that we have listed here. It's a family compound, and I'll just use this as an example to show you what you can do on any of our listings. First of all, you have all the different photographs here on the bottom, and you can quickly scroll across through them there. And if there's one that you want to see or whatever, obviously, you can, that shows you the entrance there. And there was an aerial shot there. This is the backyard, man cave, or it's a bedroom actually. But that was inside in the house. But you can look across there, and you can go from photo to photo that way, or at the bottom. Obviously all the information is here. You can read about the property. It gives you the bedrooms, bathrooms, everything else, acreage, and pretty good description. And there's more information down here that you can go through. But here's something that's pretty neat. Regardless of what property you're looking at on our website, if you want to get a video tour, you might be out of state, you might you might want to see more information on the property before you'd even think about looking at it in person with this coronavirus issue. So all you got to do, request, and I'll just go back through that again, close that out, request video tour. See that one there, third button down. Just click on that and my information has automatically been populated, and if I want to, I'll put in the time. I'll put in for tomorrow, I suppose, and let's do 1:30, request it, and that's it, done. Simple as that. And it just says the request has been sent and the agent will get back with you. So Kim or I will get back with you and we'll arrange that. But it's pretty neat. If you see any properties that you like here, you can share them on Facebook, you can share them on Twitter, Pinterest, and we have a virtual open house tour here as well. And then you have the virtual tour. The virtual tours that we have on our properties are pretty detailed. And when you're on the virtual tour page, you can just click that green triangle down there and it'll take you through the property automatically. This is something that's pretty neat. And we do this as standard on all of our Hoey team listings. But if you come across a property on our web page and you don't see any virtual tour, that's no problem at all. Just click on that button, the third one down, and we will get you a virtual tour for the property. We will go there and we will record it and get you the information. That's what we do as standard. We're here to help people. We help buyers and we help sellers. But this house here, for instance, is a magnificent property. It's in Golden Gate Estates, and we do the same amount of work as standard on all our listings, just as an FYI. So when you're going through the tour, you'll see these 360 marks and stuff. This is just a dollhouse view. But wherever you see these little meta tags, that's where there's information on the property. You can see all the little buttons there. And on this one here, we're actually in the walk-in closet. That's correct. This is the walk-in closet. It's a fabulous property, this particular one. So I'll move on to showing you a few other cool things on our page. So here on the home button, this is one of the most used pages that we have. It's our virtual open house page. So just click that button there, or the tab rather, and that'll open up our open house page. And the open house page is a list of our listings with the respective 3D tour. I'll just close out of that. It's a little bit slow to load, whatever. I must have something else open. I'm just going to close out of that. But yeah, usually that loads pretty quick. So on this page here, it tells you what it is. It's your Hoey Team Listings virtual open house page, and we're open 24/7. There's a little bit of information on the different properties. It just, this one here is just listed. It gives you some of the basic information, and there's the 3D tour for that. This is the 3D tour for the man cave for that one. And then you go down here. There's another one that we have just listed, and just click the virtual tour there. And this is another fabulous property. It's located close in, very suitable for multi-generational, and has many uses. This is one that we just sold recently. Another one that we just sold. Actually, we just sold many of our listings recently, most of them full price and higher. Here's another fabulous property that we have listed. This is down in Artesia, and for anyone looking for a model home, this one is absolutely perfect. So you'll find all of those on our virtual open house page. I'll just scroll down another little bit here, and that's one that we recently sold. That one there is actually withdrawn. Here's one that was just sold. another one that we just sold, and another that we just sold. We sold a lot of them there. So this one here is available. It's great condo, and you can check it out there for yourself. And here's another fabulous condo, very well priced. Then we have one in Lakewood here in Naples. So we have a few there in Naples. We've one in Fort Myers, and down at the bottom of our pages, on all of our web pages, you'll find our testimonials, and you can click across through the different things that people had to say about us. As you go down, then you can see here areas that we cover, and this is pretty neat. So if there's some community that you like, and we can just pick one here just to show you, for example. But you have this is Fort Myers, Bonita. Let's go Bonita. Bonita Springs is located between Fort Myers and Marco Island, and it just gives you some of what's happening in the neighborhood, and it's a very good resource. It shows you what's going on and the different stats. So basically, that's a lot of what we do. As I said, the links, you can take a little bit of time and go across. We have a huge amount of resources for you, and I hope that I haven't shown you too much. But basically, check it out for yourself. This is Kim, and that's myself there, and we're the Hoey team. Alrighty, I'm going to let you go, and we'll chat soon. Enjoy the website. Thank you.